Bromine, chlorine, fluorine, iodine are elements in group 7 of the periodic table. Choose 2 of these elements that have the darkest colours. Now we need to look at our periodic table, and we'll notice that if you start from the top, you have fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. And these get darker as you go down the group. So you need to notice the 2 at the very end are of your list that are going to be the darkest ones. Now they've mixed them up in the way they've written them down for you, but you need to remember to look at your periodic table. So the 2 darkest ones will be bromine and iodine. Next question. The equation for the reaction between hydrogen and chlorine is H2 and Cl2 to give you 2HCl, so hydrogen gas and chlorine gas to give you hydrogen chloride gas. Different names are used for the product depending on its state symbol. So what are the names used for HClG and HClAq? So HClG is a hydrogen chloride gas, and HClAq is hydrochloric acid, so it's aqueous or AQ. The presence of hydrogen chloride gas can be confirmed by the addition of ammonia gas. State the observation in the reaction between hydrogen chloride and ammonia gas and write the chemical equation for the reaction. So you've got to remember this from the big tube that we had, where we have hydrogen chloride soaked in cotton wool and we have ammonia soaked in cotton wool. So we need to write down what the observation is going to be. So you have the white powder or white ring of ammonium chloride, and then you have HCl in the gaseous state plus ammonia in the gaseous state to give you hydrogen chloride, which is going to be solid. So the presence of chloride ions in hydrochloric acid can be shown by mixing with silver nitrate solution and dilute nitric acid. State the results of the test and complete a chemical equation for the reaction. So the results is, so if you're looking at hydrogen chloride ions and testing using silver nitrate, so you need to acidify it with dilute nitric acid. So we need to remember our test for our halide ions, and that is that if you have chlorine, you get white, bromine, you get cream, and iodine, you get yellow. So that is your test. So the answer to this one will be, you will observe precipitate of silver chloride, which is white in colour. And to complete the equation, we have aqueous silver nitrate plus hydrochloric acid aqueous to give you silver chloride, which is the solid because that's the precipitate that you observe, and nitric acid, which is aqueous.